Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the North-South Toll Highway, also known as the Edwards-Yaga Highway, and we're going to talk about the extension of this road. Now they have started the work to extend this road. This road currently goes from Kingston to Mammee or Kingston to Ocherios. And this road is what you call a game changer. This road has opened up the entire north coast of Jamaica, or it has helped to open up the north coast. Unprecedented levels of development on the north coast. Mammee practically sold out. Some of the largest developments in Jamaica going on there. Draxall completely sold out. In terms of major developments, the land completely sold out. Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, the entire north coast. Now this road connects the capital of Jamaica, Kingston, where you have the largest population, to the north coast. Now, because so much activity and developments are taking place on the north coast, once you come off the highway, you can head to Draxall in one direction or Ocherios in the other direction. You now have a bottleneck of traffic. Just the roundabout to come off the highway sometimes has traffic because of the amount of cars on the road. So they are now extending the highway from Mammee all the way to the border with Trelawny, so the border of St. Ann and Trelawny. And they're also extending it in the other direction to Ocherios onward to the airport, the Ian Fleming International Airport. So this is something that is needed. And look at this road. I mean, we're going up the hill, so it's 6 lanes, but normally it's 4 lanes, dual carriageway. This is a kind of road you will find in a first world country. And this road to date is the most expensive road ever built in Jamaica. It cost over $1 billion US. And when this road was built, there were I think the other highway was built, but there was no guarantee that you would make back the money that you invested to build this road with just the toll, because there was no certainty that people would use the highway and pay toll. But that question has been answered and people are using the highway. And it was actually China Harbour Engineering Company that built this road, and they paid to build it, and then they are collecting the toll to pay themselves back. Excellent move. And they will be the ones extending the highway in both directions. And that massive development in Mammee that Czech is doing, they were given that land as a part of the deal to build this road. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the plans. And they've actually started to extend the highway. Now they haven't started the actual construction, but they're doing the feasibility studies, and that is part of the highway construction. A lot of people think it's when they're ready to send in the bulldozers, but the planning is a key part of the construction process. The government of Jamaica and China Harbour Engineering Company Limited signed a memorandum of understanding to conduct feasibility studies for the proposed extension of the North-South Highway. Under the agreement, CHEC will conduct all the necessary studies, which include technical, financial, economic, environmental, and social, at no cost to the government. Addressing the signing ceremony at the Prime Minister, Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, signed the MOU. Andrew Holness said the MOU will be valid for the next 2 years and will address the problem of traffic congestion in St. Ann. He noted that North-South Highway, commissioned over a decade ago, has become a symbol of transformation, linking the country's capital and the industrial centers to the vibrant coastal towns of northwestern Jamaica. But development never stands still. As our economy and tourism sector expands and more Jamaicans travel for work, school, and leisure, our road network faces increasing pressure. Traffic studies confirm that commuters have been saying for the past decade that the existing North Coast corridor is overburdened. Congestion hampers productivity, it compromises safety, and it is a limiting factor on our growth potential, he pointed out. To address this, we have two complementary projects. The first is the North Coast Highway Improvement Project, which will extend and widen the existing North Coast Highway, and two, the extension of the North-South Toll Highway, both westwards and eastwards, he said. He informed that the proposed highway extension includes the westward section from Mammee Bay to Discovery Bay in St. Ann, which is approximately 25.2 kilometers, and eastwards from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle in St. Mary, which is approximately 15 kilometers. He said that attempting to upgrade a heavily used roadway without providing an alternative route would cause significant disruption and dislocation, and we saw that consistently when we were improving the South Coast Highway corridor. As such, he pointed out, we are going to do the North-South Highway toll extension first before we undertake any upgrade or construction on the existing alignment. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.